Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, yes, yes. No! It killed me! I'm so mad! How dare they? No! Okay, my stomach hurts. I think it's because I haven't eaten breakfast. Who cares? Got to play more Fortnite. My stomach hurts so much. I have to go to the doctor. Also, I think I need to make an appointment. I also haven't got to the doctor in like 1, 2, 3, 10 years. I got to years. Okay, hello? Hello? Huh? What do you want? What do you mean what I want? I came here for the doctor, and as I can tell, you're Dr. Jacobous. Yeah, right. What do you want? Why did it come here for? To get a check. Duh. I mean, why else would I come here to the doctor? Don't people usually come here when they have a broken hand or something broken? Um, well, I don't know. I see people make appointments. And did you make an appointment? I don't think so. Well, you kind of should have. So, as you can tell, I am playing some Fortnite. So, if you could just shoo, 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 shoo. No! I want to go to the doctor, and I want to go now. What's wrong, Sassy? Yeah. Okay, what's your name? Okay, so, what are you? What's happening? My stomach hurts right here. I'm sorry, but I can't fix that. Yes, you can. You're supposed to give me vitamins or pills or drugs, whatever people call it these days. Um, now that you tell me about that, we do have some drugs that could probably help your stomach there. Drugs? Yeah. Is that good for my body? Well, nah, but it just makes me feel good. Makes me feel good? I mean, that's what happens to people. So I'm guessing it does. But you're the doctor, aren't you, the expert? Um, yeah, about that, I kind of don't even know what I am. Like, I don't, like, doctor? I mean, it's not even, I'm not even qualified. You're not? Then what are you qualified for? I was kind of a drug dealer. What? Yeah, I kind of dressed up, and I mean, uh, do you know doctors wouldn't even play Fortnite? Like, what kind of doctor plays Fortnite? I thought that was the trend. Well, yeah, you're wrong. I kind of just dressed up, and I don't even know what I'm doing, but I guess I could give you drugs. No thanks. I'll pass. Only dumb people do that. Yeah, sure. Suit yourself. Wait! What do you want? If you're not the real doctor, then who is? Give me a real doctor right now. Honey, first of all, your stomach issue or whatever it is, like, I am no doctor, but whatever you have isn't serious. How do you know? Because, search it up. But I don't have a phone. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, you don't know what drug is. Second of all, you couldn't even tell if I was a real doctor or not. And third of all, you don't have a phone? No. What's saving a phone? You look happy. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe Do you have anything at your house? Yes. What do you have? Like electronics? I have an Xbox. An Xbox. Yeah, let's go to your house. We need to talk about this. Okay, so this is my house. This is my only thing that I have in my house, which is my controller and the Xbox. Okay. So, let's see. This looks pretty decent. Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. And how much would you sell it for? I don't sell my Xbox. Yeah, but how much would you sell it for? I said I wouldn't sell my Xbox, which means no price. Well, how much did it cost you? It cost me a few, let's call it $500. $500. Ooh. Yes. So, why did we come here again? I mean, you're the doctor. Honey, I'm not the doctor. Do you remember? Comprende? Sabes? Comprende? Archies? Yeah. Well, anyway, I kind of like this controller. Well, thanks, but it's... What? Oh, white Xbox controller must be worth even more money. Are you all of a sudden a magician? Oh my gosh. No, I already told you, I'm a drug dealer. No, my controller. Chillax. This is even more money. No, I want my... What the heck? That's even more money. I don't like this at all. You are a dumb. Stop saying that. Do you even know how much money this can bring to me? I mean, to you? I haven't thought about this. I mean, just look at everything. Or more like, look at nothing. It's only pink. You got no furniture. You need the money. Sell this, and you'll definitely get some money. How would you know any of this stuff? I already told you, girl. I'm a drug dealer. So you got money? Of course I got money. Or else how do you think I got the money to purchase this suit? You went to Toys R Us? Honey, there's no even Toys R Us. I mean, Party City? Yes. I mean, no. I got it off Amazon. Isn't that even cheaper? I mean, okay. Anyway, this money. I don't need money. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me just take care of this. And we'll come back later. But for now, I'm gonna take your controller and your Xbox. No, that's the only thing I have in my house, which means that's the only thing I got to do. Well, fine. I'm gonna be generous and give you this controller. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I'll give you that controller, and I guess you can play. Thanks! Hey dude, look what I just found. What is that? It's a white Xbox controller. Man, we black. We only use black stuff. What do you mean? This is a lot of money. If we sell this, we'll get a lot of money. No. This is white, and white is not good. Who cares about if it's white or black? Oh, I care about white or black stuff. Honey, this ain't it. This is what's gonna bring us into a millionaire. Oh, no, I do not accept. Honey, take that back to where it belongs. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this. I already dealt with a lot of stuff with a bear and whatever her name was. So we're gonna sell this control. I don't care if it's white or black, but I do. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this just happens. This just keeps on happening. What the heck? Okay, now this is what I'm talking about, man. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, now this is extra money. Okay. I get it. Time to play Fortnite. Wait, what? We gonna steal this? I mean, what we gonna sell this? What you doing? What you doing? Just gonna stop it.
What's an L to a G? Yeah, your girl want me. Nah, just kidding. Focused on my team. Now we all winning. I don't even wet my bed no more. Down by law, but I flipped that score. Flipped that script and I took that